Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you.
Yeah, yeah, only want your love if it's solid.
But if it fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it.
And that's the way I like it.
Ain't gonna smile for none of these bitches.
That's the way I like it.
Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it.
I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
Chat. Till they fold that bitch, no yoga mat. Chat. Till they dead, that nigga don't hit me back. Chat. Should've read none of your questions back. Chat. Chat. They chatting, they chat. And the sun go down, everything made me feel lovely. Had a sad thing, but right now it's just a home. Should've felt good inside, you know, don't wanna hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You're my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stressed off, that's my only vibe. I take it off when he tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like some rolling dice. Taking it all, it's my second life. That's me, passed out in a nigga backseat. Cashed out on the back beat. Oh, they know my body, oh, they know that's me. Bitch, 15 might give me. All I want for love if it's solid.
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you.
Yeah, yeah, only want your love if it's solid.
But if it fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. Everything been okay. They salute me so damn much every time I show up, nigga, her bout face. Everything no cut, I fuck y'all up, I don't really go trip out, babe. Load the 87 guts while you waiting on us, tell them I was on PCH. You fucking with niggas that thinking they cuter than you? Oh, so you on your cycle, but he on this period too? Oh, the tables been turning so much, I was thinking it's foosball. The tenderness of them was taking them for some wacko. Oh, walk, talk, like Kenny, like Boss, like Solana, I promise, more bars.
Alright you guys, so today is the next morning. This is how it looks. I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys like a 360 look of what it looks like.
My prime, these niggas gotta get played. If these bitches ain't mad, I need to go harder. I can't let them think we the same. Ass sitting up like a horse, it's pretty like a portrait. Mouth.
Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do now is style my hair, and then I'll come back when I'm done.
Ay, I'm at the top of my game. I'm who they hate. This shit come with the fame. That's how I knew that I made it. I woke up looking this good. I'm in my prime. These niggas gotta get played. If these bitches ain't mad, I need to go harder. I can't let them think we the same.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video. This is the final look. I absolutely love these braids. They're easy to do. We didn't add in any extensions or any hair. If you just need a quick, cute style that you can do without getting any extensions, this is how my boho box braids came out. Came out super cute. And if you guys like content like this, go ahead and give this a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you feel about it. Would you wear this style up? Would you wear this style down? You guys got a chance to see how it looked like down. So let me know how you feel about this look. If you like style, if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.
Whereabouts, what is a girl to do? Say no to everything I'm invited to, and I can't do that. At the intersection, dolo, baby, working on self-control, the baby, no,